Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to find the distance between 2 points using distance formula. Okay, let's start. Let's have the first illustrative example. Find the distance between the 2 points 2, 3 and 5, 1. Here, we're going to use the distance formula where d equals the square root of the sum of the two squares. The first square is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And the second square is the square of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Here, we're going to let the first point, x sub 1, y sub 1, be the point 2, 3. Here it implies that x sub 1 equals 2, while y sub 1 equals 3. And the second point, x sub 2, y sub 2, be 5, 1. Here, it implies that x sub 2 equals 5, while y sub 2 equals 1. Now let's have the substitution. We're going to substitute the values into the equation. Here, the value of y sub 2 is 1. So, here we have 1 minus y sub 1, which is 3. So, we have 1 or 1 minus 3 plus the value of x sub 2, that is 5, minus the value of x sub 1, which is 2. So we have 5 minus 2. Now, let's simplify the expression inside the radical. 1 minus 3 equals negative 2. And its square is 4. Here, 5 minus 2 is 3. Its square is 9. So, 9 plus 4 equals 13. So the distance between the points, or the 2 points, is the square root of 13. Now let's have another illustrative example. We're going to find the length of a segment with endpoints negative 4, 3 and negative 5, negative 6. Here, we're going to let the first point, x sub 1, y sub 1, be the point negative 4, 3. It implies here that x sub 1 equals negative 4, while y sub 1 equals 3. And the second point, x sub 2, y sub 2 equals negative 5, negative 6. It implies here that x sub 2 equals negative 5, while y sub 2 equals negative 6. Now let's have the substitution. Y sub 2 is negative 6 minus y sub 1, which is 3. So we have negative 6 minus 3. Here, x sub 2 is negative 5, while x sub 1 is negative 4. So we have negative 5 minus negative 4. Okay, let's simplify the expression inside the radical. First, negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. Its square is 81. So we have here 81 plus negative 5 minus negative 4 is negative 5 plus 4, and that is negative 1. The square of negative 1 is positive 1. So we have here positive 1. So the distance between the points, or the length of the segment, is the square root of 82. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.